Cebuano fisherfolk have always had a mastery of the seas. This is evident in the boats that they use to traverse the waters that surround them. Long before the time of asphalt and concrete, Cebuanos were a seafaring people, and their highways were the waters and their boats, their means of transport. Welcome to Cebuano. Ancient vessels such as the Caracoa, Parao, and the Balangay were masterpieces of boat building. Each vessel was created according to the specific needs of the user. This is why boat building was seen as a revered art passed on from generation to generation. Today's boats bear little resemblance to their predecessors. In the modern age of steel, mechanized engines and modernized hulls are now the norm. Fortunately, traditional boat building continues to thrive in some parts of the world. There are two types of boats that are common today in Cebuano coastal communities: the motorized and the non-motorized boats. Both are used for fishing. Motorized boats are called pump boats, which makes use of an engine in various sizes, while non-motorized boats are often called bangka, reminiscent of the early boats during the pre-Spanish era. In the coastal community of Badjan, the legacy of boat building endures in pandays such as Norman Borromeo. Norman is a skilled boat builder, and he usually creates the staple of the modern-day fishing vessel known as a pump boat.
Mga design ba? Nasa design nga gihimo.
So na siya mag-signature style.
Oh, kay kuan man. Na may dahang tigimo diri. Ang kuan nila kanang mga ang purma ba? Dili jud mag kay makaingon ko nga, maingon ta nga ay kana ang design niya lain-lain sila. Dai dahang tigimo diri pareha ra gyapon mga pareha gyapon mga dunay mga ana ba, mga hanig. Mutanaw na nimo sa purma. Oh, mutanaw na nimo sa purma nga kana kang normal na. Kani kang kuan ni. Oh, inaana ba? Lain-lain sila mga design. So dili sila makapareha. Kada panda, lain-lain sila mga design. May bawo man jud siya nga iyahana.
Want to see more? You can. The boats and other fishing implements used by Cebuano fisherfolk today can be found at the Kabilin Center's Duyan ang Kadagatan, Cradled by the Sea exhibit, which showcases Cebuano culture and the heritage of the sea.